In this chapter, we're going to look at a couple key questions. Why and when should the Fed try to influence aggregate demand? When will the Fed be able to influence aggregate demand? And when will the influence aggregate demand result in higher GDP growth rates? We kind of start looking at this and understanding the best case scenario. It's clear what the Fed should do. We consider some reasons why the Fed will want to do this. You'll notice that we consider it's much harder for the Fed to achieve. You'll notice that the Fed sometimes has to make those decisions on how they can contribute to this bust and boom type of economic society. If we look at monetary policy, we can start with the negative shock to aggregate demand driven by some animal spirits. You'll notice that looking at these animal spirits will be very helpful. What it does is the economy is going to be having to grow at certain rates. When the economy grows at certain rates, certain decisions, we have to look at things. One of the things we want to look at is how we can understand this. You'll notice because consumers become pessimistic with regard to spending, borrowing, and those challenges will hold up in society. These are some of the things that we're going to look at for this week in terms of how we make decisions with regard to the